This is a test to see about how to access the online computer-based testing. Step number 1, open up an appropriate browser. I'm choosing to use Mozilla Firefox. Once the browser is open, next step, get that out of the way of the screen recording. Next step is to type in the address. There's no www in front of this, it's just straight utah.measuredprogress.org. This takes you to the site where you can either set up a training or you can set up a live session. It'll be the same site. Also, at least on my desktop, I have this icon right here that is also showing what can be done. To proctor a test, the next thing you must do is click on the Proctor Spring 2013 Training Test button. At this point, it gives you a system verification. It's identified that some of my things are not supported. Now, I've been able to ignore this error and everything has worked just fine for me. So we're not sure how to correct this at this point. So for right now, we're recommending that we just bypass this error and continue. Now here's creating my workstation into the proctoring position. We need to input in the username, which should be your first name, last name. And for all of you, initially your password is just that, password, all lowercase. And once you've logged that in, you'll have to change that, and hopefully you can remember that. I've already changed mine. Log in. Now this identifies the fact that there are no open test sessions available right now. We need to open a session so that the students can test. So let's practice by setting up an elementary language arts test. I'm going to click on that. Now, I'm in. There's no records to display because no students have entered in. The first thing I need to do is select what sections are going to be on. If you want everybody to only access section 1, you'd select that, or section 2 if they can access all sections based upon how you're testing. You can select all sections, hit the go button. Now you'll be set up. Now what happens is for the students to log in, they need to be able to come in and you have to share with them this access code right here. This is what the students need to enter in to access your testing session. Here's also the place where you can go in and pause the test by clicking this button, and then ta-da, your test is paused. For all students, if you want to allow students to resume, you hit the play button. Now they're able to continue doing the test. And this concludes how to access the proctoring section of a test. Thank you. In the session. Are you sure you want to close the session? Okay. Ta-da. And now we're done. Thank you very much.